In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve 21 tutorial. If you're seeing a GPU configuration warning when you open DaVinci Resolve 21, it usually means the app isn't using the right graphics driver or the correct processing mode for your hardware. The good news is it's quick to fix, and once set correctly, you'll get smoother playback, faster renders, and fewer crashes. First, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Resolve 21 relies on modern GPU features, so you'll want the latest NVIDIA Studio driver if you're on an NVIDIA card, or the latest AMD Adrenalin software if you're on an AMD card. For NVIDIA users, the Studio driver is optimized for creative apps like Resolve and supports CUDA 12.3 or later, which is important for compatibility and performance. For AMD users, the most recent Adrenalin package ensures Resolve can talk to your GPU properly. Let the installer complete any prompts so your system is fully updated. Now launch DaVinci Resolve and open Preferences. You'll find this in the top menu under DaVinci Resolve, then choose Preferences. In the window that opens, go to the Memory and GPU section. This is where we'll take manual control to eliminate the warning. Find the setting called GPU Processing Mode. By default, it may be set to Auto. Uncheck Auto so you can choose the correct mode yourself. Auto can occasionally pick a fallback option that triggers the warning, especially after a driver change. With Auto off, select the mode that matches your hardware. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, choose CUDA. This ensures Resolve uses NVIDIA's compute engine and aligns with the CUDA 12.3 Plus requirement. If you have an AMD GPU, choose OpenCL. Picking the correct backend is key to unlocking your card's acceleration and clearing the warning. Next, look for GPU selection. Again, uncheck Auto. You'll see a list of available GPUs. Make sure your dedicated graphics card is checked. On many laptops and some desktops, you might see both an integrated GPU and a dedicated one. Ensure only the dedicated card is selected so Resolve doesn't try to use the weaker integrated option. Click Save to apply the changes, then restart DaVinci Resolve. The restart allows Resolve to reinitialize the GPU with your chosen settings. When it comes back up, the GPU configuration warning should be gone. If it isn't, double-check that you selected CUDA for NVIDIA or OpenCL for AMD and confirm your driver versions are current. That's it. With the right driver, manual processing mode, and the dedicated GPU selected, Resolve 21 should run reliably and perform at its best.